Hey there. In this tutorial, we're going to write a simple JavaScript program to compute the sum of the main diagonal elements of a square matrix. If you're new to matrices, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step. And by the end, you'll see how easy it is to solve this with JavaScript's array methods. Let's jump right in. A matrix is a grid of numbers arranged in rows and columns. A square matrix has the same number of rows and columns. The main diagonal runs from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. For example, in a 3 by 3 matrix like this, the main diagonal elements are 1, 5 and 9, and we want to add these up to get 15. Our task is to write a JavaScript function that takes such a matrix and returns the sum. Here's our core function. It takes a square matrix called nums. We use the reduce method on the array of rows, and for each row, the index I corresponds to the diagonal element position. So we add row I to the sum. The initial sum is 0, and after processing all rows, we get the sum of the diagonal elements. It is short, sweet, and super efficient. Let's break down the steps. We first start by passing the matrix into our function, and then, using reduce, we iterate over each row. The index I tells us which diagonal element to pick. We then add this element to a running total. Once all rows are processed, we return the final sum. That is our diagonal sum. This is a neat and efficient way to traverse only the diagonal elements. Here are two examples. For the first 3 by 3 matrix, the main diagonal elements are 1, 5 and 9, which add up to 15. In the second 2 by 2 matrix, the diagonal elements are -1 and -5, which add up to -6. This function handles any size square matrix the same way, simple and consistent. Why does this matter? Summing diagonal elements is foundational in many math and programming contexts. From 3D graphic transformations to statistics and data science, matrix operations are everywhere. It is also a great problem to practice for coding interviews. Understanding this will boost your skills in array manipulation and mathematical reasoning. To wrap up, we've created a simple and elegant JavaScript function that sums the main diagonal elements of a square matrix. By leveraging the power of reduce and indexing, the solution is concise and efficient. This technique is a great way to improve your understanding of arrays and matrix traversal in JavaScript. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.